Everyone can make this popsicle without a mold. Mixed, it's ready. In a bowl, start by adding 300 milliliters of whipping cream. Now beat it until it doubles in volume. This is the perfect consistency. Now add half a can of condensed milk, 200 grams. Also add the juice of one passion fruit. Now mix everything together really well. Then add some sprinkles too. Let's pour this mixture into a milk carton. I cut the top off, leaving it like this. Place popsicle sticks on top. Freeze it until it sets. Now folks, I've cut the sides. It's easy to unmold. Then cut between each stick. All done, everyone. Now it's time to enjoy. Look how amazing this popsicle looks. Make it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you liked it. That's another recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hugs. See you next time. Thanks.